How do Python virtual environments manage versions? Imagine working on multiple projects where each needs different tools and settings. Keeping everything organized can be tricky, but Python virtual environments make it simple. They are like separate workspaces for your projects. Each virtual environment is a self-contained folder that holds its own copy of the Python interpreter and the packages you install. When you activate a virtual environment, your commands only affect that specific project. This way, you can have one project using a certain version of a library and another using a different one without conflicts. Virtual environments do not directly control which Python version they use. Instead, they rely on the Python interpreter you specify when creating them. For example, if you create a virtual environment with Python version 3.10, that environment will use Python 3.10. If you want to switch to another version like 3.13, you need to create a new virtual environment with that version. To manage multiple Python versions across your system, developers often use a tool called Venv. Venv allows you to install different Python versions and switch between them easily. You can set a specific Python version for a project by creating a file called .python-version in your project folder. When you enter that folder, Venv automatically switches to the specified Python version. Then, you can create a virtual environment with that version, keeping your project isolated and compatible. This setup means you can work on one project with Python 3.10 and another with Python 3.13, all on the same machine. Each project has its own virtual environment that keeps its packages separate. Venv makes sure the right Python version is used for each project. Most virtual environments are created using the Venv module, which comes with Python. You run a command like python-mvenv and then the name of your environment. This creates a folder with all the files needed to keep your project's Python setup separate. After that, you activate the environment and install the packages you need. In short, Python virtual environments manage package versions by keeping them isolated for each project. To handle different Python interpreter versions, you use tools like Venv to switch between versions and create environments with the right Python version. This method helps keep your projects compatible and makes your development process smoother, especially when testing and deploying applications.